In this lesson, we will discuss about temperature conversion. Celsius was invented by the Swedish astronomer Anders Celsius in 1742. Fahrenheit was developed by a German-born scientist Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit in 1724, and Kelvin was named after the Belfast-born Glasgow University engineer and physicist William Thomson, also known as Lord Kelvin, in 1848. And Kelvin is the standard unit for temperature. Please take note of these facts about these three common temperature scales, especially 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 273.15 Kelvin, which are equal to 0 degrees Celsius, the point at which the water freezes. These are the constant values we use every time we convert Celsius to Fahrenheit or Celsius to Kelvin. Alright, let's now convert 50 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit and Kelvin. In converting it to Fahrenheit, please use that formula. Substitute the value, that will be 1.8 times 50 plus 32. Following the PEMDAS rule, multiply 1.8 and 50 first, then add to the constant value of 32. 1.8 times 50 is 90, plus 32 is 122. So 50 degrees Celsius is equivalent to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. And in converting it to Kelvin, we just need to substitute the value of Celsius to the formula, then proceed to addition. So it will be then 50 plus the constant value of Kelvin, 273.15, giving us a sum of 323.15 Kelvin. This time, let's convert 122 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius and Kelvin. Doing so, please use this formula. Then substitute the value for Fahrenheit, which is 122, then subtract 32 from it. That would be 5 over 9 times 122 minus 32. Following PEMDAS rule, we need to do the required operation of the numbers inside the parentheses first. We need to get the difference between 122 and 32, which is 90, then multiply it to 5 over 9. So it will be 5 over 9 times 90 over 1. Remember, any integer has either a positive or negative divisor, that's why we got 90 over 1, and as much as possible do not convert 5 over 9 to decimal and round it off to 2 decimal places, because that will not give us accurate value. In this problem, just proceed to multiplying the numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator of these two fractions. 5 times 90 is 450 and 9 times 1 is 9, giving us a product of 450 over 9. Dividing 450 by 9 will give us a quotient of 50. Hence, 122 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's convert it now to Kelvin. Since we have already the value for Celsius, we may just use this formula. But if the problem asks us to convert Fahrenheit to Kelvin directly, we may consider this one though. Again, we already got the value for Celsius, which is 50 degrees Celsius. Just substitute it and add to the constant value of 273.15. So it will be 50 plus 273.15, which is 323.15 Kelvin. Therefore, 122 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 323.15 Kelvin. Finally, let's convert 323.15 Kelvin to Celsius and Fahrenheit. And converting it to Celsius, use this formula and substitute the value we have for Kelvin and get their difference. By subtracting them, the answer will be 50. Therefore, 323.15 Kelvin is equal to 50 degrees Celsius. And in converting it to Fahrenheit, use that formula, then substitute the given value for Kelvin, which is 323.15, and multiply it to 1.8. 323.15 times 1.8 is 581.67 minus 459.67, which is the constant value, is equal to 122 or 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Therefore, 323.15 Kelvin, 50 degrees Celsius, and 122 degrees Fahrenheit are all equal values.